Welcome, beautiful people around the world. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Yukin. I hope you're loving yourself as much as I love you all. I really hope so, because today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be playing a new game called SHUTDOWN. It's a Web3 game. I'm very excited to continue playing more Web3 games because I love Web3. I love the space, and I'm very excited to showcase more of these games out there. So please let me know in the comments below for other games that you guys are wanting for me to play. I believe the airdrop actually ended a day ago, so unfortunately we're not going to be able to get anything from this game. But again, I'm excited just to play this game. I've seen some people that I follow on Twitter post some gameplay, and I'm excited to showcase this game as well. But before we get into the gameplay, let's check out what SHUTDOWN is and also the tokenomics as well, and then we're going to jump into the gameplay. SHUTDOWN is an action-packed Web3 gaming IP that's set in a dystopian universe where AI has taken over. Players immerse themselves in a fast-paced battles, competing against opponents from around the world to claim valuable resources and rise through the ranks of the decentralized society. As a skilled pilot, you must strategically navigate hostile environments, customize your arsenal, and earn crypto rewards as you conquer the SHUTDOWN universe. Now, the SHUTDOWN universe revolves around the DIS token, which is coming in Q2 of 2024. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's all the information we have here, and let's jump into the gameplay now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're jumping into the game for the first time ever, and looks like we have to pick two abilities, Q and E, to use abilities. So we do have Slide Out of Danger, vaporizing any enemies that get in your way, heal yourself and any nearby allies. So there's gonna be, is there possibly co-op? That could be really interesting. Ballistic shield that protects from bullets, but it won't stop gas or melee. They also deal double damage with all of your attacks, uses a lot of energy. So it's going to be really interesting. I think sliding out of the way would be really good to have. I think I want to use the health. I think that I just clicked the health. Oh, look at me. Am I a robot? Oh, what's up, dude? No, this is interesting. So we got a pistol. I don't really know what we're doing. It says wave 1, so I'm wondering if this goes off waves. What the heck are those guys? Look at these guys. A robot. Oh, we're reloading. Reload. Oh, look at that. We're getting credits, baby. Oh, these are explosives right there. Okay. We got a pistol. These zombies are coming after us. Oh, yo, he just came from the top. He came from the heavens above. He said, "What's up, dude? I'm about to come up and say hi." All right, so I don't really know what to do in this. Wait, there's a little melee button too. Look at me. Take this. Your little smack attack. Yo, let me see. I'm gonna smack him. Yo, I just smacked him. All right, looks like we got $150 from that. Looks like we're gonna restore health, refill ammo. So it looks like it's gonna be wave based in this game. So that's one of the things that I kind of saw from the gameplay a little bit from the people that were posting it on Twitter. It goes to this BFG. We all know what that means, right?
Hello there.
So 12K. That's pretty crazy, but for that to be $20,000 and we're only at 150, so we do have a lot of ways to go. So we're just gonna keep grinding and see if we can get enough. Wait, these guys mean trouble now. You mean trouble? Oh, look at that. Get wrecked. Taste my elbow. Oh, you both want some, huh? Y'all want the smoke? It's easy now, right? That's the whole premise. Is all easy now until it gets harder.
A few moments later.
Okay, stop shooting me. Stop shooting me, please. I concede. I concede. Let me just go back home. Oh, they're all in this one area. Come on. Oh, dude, I'm so close. You watch this explosion, chat. Watch this explosion. Slid. Oh my God. Oh, Lord. Oh. The last stand. I can die. Oh my God. How did I survive that? Oh my Lord have mercy. Oh Lord. I will not concede to this loss. I will not lose to this. I will not be defeated by you aliens. Nice, let's go. 16,000, chat. We are so close to 20,000. So close. It's like it almost tasted. This is probably not the best area right now. This is probably not the best area right now. This is probably not the best area now. Ah, Lord have mercy. I'm sorry. I'll be in an open area next time. I promise. 17,350, dude. We are so close to getting the BFG. The big effing gun. And I'm excited. I'm excited. We're at wave 24 with the pistol and the shotgun, still with the dream. Still going on. Oh, Lord, have mercy on my soul. Oh, no. Oh, no. Chat, let's go. 20,450. Let's go. We're going to buy the BFG. 12K. The damage does 200 to 600 with 0 spread and 1 magazine. Firing rate 20 RPM. Let's get it. We are going to have that. And we do have the BFG. I don't know how much damage this is going to be, but this is going to be absolutely nuts. I wonder how much ammo I can actually carry with the BFG, because that would be absolutely crazy to see. Oh, Lord have mercy. I just ran into that side. Oh, Lord. BFG. Where is it at? Oh! What the heck was that?
Oh, shit.
Yo! Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Taste the BFG. Oh! Oh, Jesus. Oh, I forgot. I forgot that I'm still playing. I'm still playing. Ooh! 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 Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. GG. GG. This was such fun. Oh, Lord, dude. 25. Oh, man. That BFG, dude. That was absolutely crazy. Back to wave 1. My God, dude. That BFG at the end. That's absolutely nuts. Holy. Man, that was so fun. I had a blast, guys. That was so amazing, man. This game actually does rock. I actually really vibe with this game. Again, I'm not sponsored to talk about this game at all, so letting you guys know, not get paid to talk about it all. I just really am excited to try new games out there in Web3 space, and this game definitely hits the mark right there for a game to try out. Again, it is wave based, so if you guys like wave based and trying to get to the highest, leveled wave that you can, definitely try this game out. This game is definitely interesting. And that BFG, once you get that, man, that takes out so many of them. But then you gotta prepare that there's more zombies flying from the sky, coming and literally haunting you and cornering you in the open or in the corner or whatever. So they're everywhere. But I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope we can stay united as one, rise up to every challenge, be ourselves and follow our dreams, because I know you can do it. I love you all.